Okay, g'day, Rudy here. A bit of a whoop, whoop, whoop. Error alert, error alert. Our three little defence boys. I said in the last video we had this shooting star on EOS, and it really needed to hold here, and it looks like defence systems are breaking down. Pretty high volumes going on here. I never got an entry point on this one, so I can't say but I think that's that doesn't look healthy. Okay, and then our other ones, so ELS. Okay, well, I got an entry point on ELS, got this declining wedge break, but it's stalling at these highs here. That's a weekly. If we go to a daily, so daily we're just we're playing with this support level here at 209. So call it round numbers $2. I think a daily close below $2 would not be constructive. Okay, and if we look at Mr. EOS, sorry, done that one, Mr. Drone. Okay, so I got he got shot by a shooting star back here. We got the entry point on the declining wedge here, so that's good. He broke out of this inclining wedge, but he's getting a bit of a that's a weekly. If we go to a daily, we had, as you can see here, this was a big sell day. Someone wanted to get out. So if we look at that weekly again, so it's like forming what we call an indecision candle. So here it's up here, and the body's in the middle. So that's what we call an indecision time. So the market, Mr. Market, doesn't know what to do. So really that's saying, well, I guess the 540, if you see a break below 540, that's probably the end of him as well. So alright, just a little defense update, unless there's a war that starts, but we don't really want that. Alright, actually, before I go, I should say Hostel looks good. So if you're looking to switch to something a bit more stable, Hostel looks pretty good to go in that defense space, unless you want to buy gold or silver. Alright, see ya.